Do you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly stressed? Your nervous system plays a crucial role in how you handle stress, and when it's out of balance, it can lead to negative impacts on your physical and mental health. The good news is that there are simple, effective ways to calm your nervous system and restore equilibrium quickly. In this video, we'll dive into 5 powerful techniques that you can use to reduce stress in real time and create a sense of calm. These natural methods work instantly, helping you regain control of your emotions and feel more grounded. Let's explore these stress-reducing habits. 1. The physiological sigh, or double inhale. One of the quickest and most effective ways to calm your nervous system is through the physiological sigh, also known as the double inhale technique. This method has been scientifically recognized as one of the fastest ways to reduce anxiety and restore a sense of equilibrium in your body. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. The physiological sigh helps to counteract this by stimulating a deeper, more controlled form of breathing. This deep breathing method promotes the activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest state. It helps shift the body from a state of high alert to a more relaxed, calm state. To perform the physiological sigh, begin by inhaling deeply through your nose, filling your lungs as much as possible. Then take a second, shorter top-up breath to fully expand the air sacs in your lungs. Afterward, slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all the air from your lungs. Repeat this cycle for 3 to 5 cycles. The combination of the deep inhale followed by the top-up inhale allows you to fully oxygenate your blood and help reset the autonomic nervous system, reducing your heart rate and shifting your body into a state of calm. Studies have shown that the physiological sigh can lower heart rate and significantly reduce anxiety within just a few minutes. This is a great technique to use in moments of acute stress or before you need to focus and calm your mind. Additionally, performing this technique throughout the day, even when you're not feeling anxious, can help train your body to naturally enter a calmer state more quickly. It's a simple, free, and immediate tool to help you regain a sense of control over your body and mind. 2. Vagal, humming or singing. Another powerful way to regulate your stress response is through vagal humming or singing. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in your body and is directly involved in controlling the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. The vagus nerve is essentially the brake pedal for stress, helping to calm your body after periods of heightened stress or anxiety. It plays a key role in helping the body recover from the fight or flight response by signaling for a return to a relaxed and balanced state. By activating the vagus nerve, you can shift from a fight or flight state to a more relaxed, grounded state, which reduces the production of stress hormones and promotes a calm mind. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to stimulate this nerve is by humming or singing. When you hum or sing, you engage the vocal cords, and this vibration directly stimulates the vagus nerve, providing a gentle yet effective way to activate the parasympathetic system. This practice has been shown to promote relaxation, improve mood, and create a sense of calm in just a few minutes. To try this technique, simply hum a low, vibrating sound for 1 to 2 minutes. You can do this quietly or out loud, depending on your situation and environment. You might also prefer to sing a calming song, chant a mantra, or hum along to a soothing melody. This technique is particularly useful when you feel anxious or stressed during the day, and it can be done anytime, anywhere, making it an excellent tool for stress relief on the go. Whether you're stuck in traffic, sitting at your desk, or waiting for a meeting, you can activate your vagus nerve and reduce stress levels with just a few minutes of humming or singing. 3. The mammalian dive reflex, cold splash. When you're feeling overwhelmed by stress, a cold splash of water on your face can instantly reset your nervous system. This technique is based on the mammalian dive reflex, a primitive biological response that helps animals conserve oxygen during a dive. By splashing your face with ice-cold water for just 30 seconds, you trigger this reflex, which slows your heart rate, reduces stress, and redirects blood flow to the brain. The cold exposure causes the body to shift from a fight or flight mode to a more restful state. It slows down your sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for stress responses, and activates your parasympathetic system, helping you relax. This simple practice is especially effective for breaking out of a stress spiral, or when you need to quickly regain composure during moments of high tension. It not only helps you calm down, but also sharpens your mental clarity. To do this, splash cold water on your face or use an ice pack for 30 seconds. You can also use a cold compress on your wrists or neck if you're unable to get to a sink or bathroom. This technique is not only effective for reducing stress, but also helps you feel more refreshed and energized. It's a quick, natural way to reset your nervous system whenever you need it, and it's great to use during stressful moments or before an important event to ground yourself and regain focus. 4. Sensory ease choices, clothing, and scents. Your environment plays a significant role in how your nervous system functions. Your brain and nervous system are constantly processing a sensory input, and certain textures and scents can have a calming effect on the body. Wearing natural soft fabrics like silk, linen, or cotton can help signal to your body that you're in a safe, comfortable environment. Harsh, synthetic materials can contribute to discomfort and tension, so choosing clothing that feels soothing can help reduce stress. Similarly, scents play an essential role in how we perceive our environment. Aromatherapy has been used for centuries to support relaxation and alleviate anxiety. Scents like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood have been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system. By incorporating uplifting fragrances into your daily routine, whether through essential oils, scented candles, or body lotions, you can create a peaceful environment that promotes relaxation. Incorporating soft fabrics and calming scents into your routine can help shift your body out of a stress state and into a more relaxed, restorative one. Consider wearing calming, breathable fabrics, using essential oils in a diffuser, or wearing a natural scent on your wrist or neck. These small sensory choices provide a cumulative calming effect on your nervous system, helping you feel more grounded and at ease. 5. Morning sunlight, anchoring. One of the most effective ways to regulate your body's stress response is by syncing your internal clock with natural sunlight. Our circadian rhythm, or body clock, is closely linked to our exposure to light and darkness. Morning sunlight exposure plays a crucial role in resetting this rhythm and regulating cortisol production for the entire day. When you get sunlight within the first 60 minutes of waking, it signals to your brain that it's time to start the day, effectively lowering cortisol and boosting serotonin levels. Cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, follows a natural rhythm. Its levels are highest in the morning when you wake up and gradually decrease throughout the day. Exposing your eyes to natural light early in the morning helps synchronize this rhythm, allowing your body to maintain healthy cortisol levels and avoid the peaks that contribute to stress. This also helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier for you to fall asleep at night. To benefit from morning sunlight, try stepping outside for just 5 to 10 minutes within an hour of waking. If you don't have access to outdoor space, sitting near a window with plenty of natural light can also help. Incorporating this simple habit into your routine will provide a natural boost to your energy, help reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. There you have it, 5 simple habits that can help reset your nervous system and reduce stress naturally. Whether it's deep breathing exercises, using cold splashes, or incorporating calming scents and sunlight into your routine, these easy strategies can make a big difference in managing your stress levels. Start practicing these habits today to experience more relaxation, better mood, and improved mental clarity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stress reduction tips. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. I'll see you in the next video.